quick breaking update coming in because right after Covishield, it is now the Covaxin makers by Bharat Biotech that have announced that they're reducing the price of the vaccine just for the state governments by 200 rupees. So earlier, Covaxin that was priced at 600 rupees for state governments have come down by 200 rupees. Now Covaxin will be available to state governments at a price of 400 rupees per dose. This is the latest release from Bharat Biotech that has been released. Yesterday it was Covishield manufacturer Serum Institute of India, and now we are getting to know from Bharat Biotech manufacturers of Covaxin reducing the price just for the state governments. Going across to Piyush now. Piyush, now this was a move that was much expected right after Covishield manufacturers to Covaxin manufacturers. The prices now come down, both of the doses there just for the state governments. 300 rupees of Covishield per dose and 400 rupees Covaxin per dose.
Coming in, remember that that before this there was a lot of debate also with the people, and many other many other parties were coming out and they was saying that the vaccine prices should not be this high, and we had also seen as to how the Covishield had also reduced its price from 400 to rupees 300, and now Covaxin has also announced that its price has now been reduced by rupees 200, which means earlier it was 600. Now it will be costing 400 per dose. And also we have seen the statement which has been released by the Covaxin, which clearly states, and I quote, Bharat Biotech is deeply concerned with the critical pandemic circumstances that India is facing at this time. Recognizing the enormous challenges to the public healthcare system, we have made Covaxin available to state governments at a price of rupees 400 per dose. This is what the statement also reads of Bharat Biotech. They conclude their statement by saying that we offer our prayers to all the citizens of India and wish them safety and health, which is what the statement also reads of Bharat Biotech. Remember that there was a lot of debate also on this, where capping on the prices of these vaccines was also being discussed. But now finally, after Covishield, now Covaxin also comes out and clarifies that they are going to reduce their prices by rupees 200, which means from 600 to 400 now per dose would cost of Bharat Biotech's Covaxin. If you talk about this vaccine particularly, remember that ICMR had also released a report that this vaccine is very much effective on the double mutant strain also of COVID-19, which is certainly telling us as to how India's own indigenous vaccine are very much effective. Now finally, after Covishield, now Covaxin also, Bharat Biotech also announces that they are going to do a cut in their vaccine price, and earlier it was 600, now it will be costing 400 per dose. Back to you.
Well, Piyush, because if you talk about Covaxin, because the price difference was much more than Covishield, 1200 rupees for the private hospitals, 600 rupees for state governments, and 150 rupees, though that was fixed for the central government by both the Serum Institute and Bharat Biotech, if you talk about Covaxin. But this has been a welcome move, isn't it, Piyush? Because we looked at many of those state government chief ministers welcoming the move made by Serum Institute, and now it is by Bharat Biotech.
Like we told you earlier, that yes, there was a lot of debate also in which the people were demanding that the prices should be reduced. Now,
all right, Piyush, just stay on with us. Aishwarya is with us on the phone line. Let me also go across to him, because Aishwarya, yesterday it was the Covishield manufacturers, today Covaxin manufacturers. This is going to be a move that will be appreciated by all.
Absolutely, Amita, but we need to keep in mind that who will be deciding, who will be the decider as far as the pricing comes in, because a lot of questions are being asked. This is a very, very welcome step. But as we've been saying, that if the people who have the authority or who have the right to reduce the price, will they also have the authority to increase the price tomorrow? That is a question which is being asked largely, so the government would have to come out clean on that as well. But at this point of time, this is a very, very welcome step. So Bharat Biotech is the second company directly in line for reducing the prices. As you mentioned, yesterday it was Serum Institute and today it is Bharat Biotech. It is very important that at this point of time, where vaccine is the only known, and we repeat, vaccine is the only known counter to this COVID-19 and coronavirus, that maximum number of people are able to be administered these particular vaccines. And in this regard, it is going to be very important that we are able to reduce the price as much as we can. We've seen not one, but several state governments are coming out and then requesting these vaccine manufacturers to provide them huge number of vaccines. And this is not going to be that easy for them, but for these vaccine manufacturers, for themselves to reduce price to this level is very, very important, and it's a very positive step. But there has to be some central government, some government of India control over them, and that is why we are being told that there are certain state governments who are still requesting the central government to keep a very, very close tab on the vaccine manufacturer, because if today they have the right to reduce the price by 100 rupees or 200 rupees respectively, will they also have the authority or the right or the permission, whatever is the correct word to be used there, to increase the price after 3 months or 4 months? Because as we've seen, India never expected this kind of a massive second wave of COVID-19. So if, God forbid, if we face another wave of this amplitude, will we be able, and if there is a booster dose to this which comes out? So all of these questions are there in the mind of the common people who are going through a lot of
troubled times these days. And that is why we say that when these positive measures, when these positive decisions are taken by the vaccine manufacturer after the Prime Minister's intervention, if you remember, the Prime Minister urged, and after that, yesterday it was Serum Institute's Adar Poonawalla, and today it is Bharat Biotech, who are coming out very, very clearly and then reducing their prices. But the only question which we are being told was also raised in the last meeting with the Prime Minister by several state chief ministers, that central government needs to have some control, to which we were told by our sources that Government of India is keeping a very, very close tab on these vaccine manufacturers. So it's a very positive step in that regard. But the implementation of the vaccine not only being given to the state governments, but by the state governments to their administration, so that the vaccine can be successfully
manufacturers there, Bharat Biotech announcing that there has been a drop in the prices just for the state governments. They had come down by 200 rupees. The dose will now cost 400 rupees to the state governments. Aishwarya, thanks very much for joining in. We are going to slip into a very short break. Back with the exit poll. Republic now tying up with CLX. We will be joining you after a very short break. Stay tuned.